This is so awesome. I'm gonna get some great shoot it in black and white. Raging bull. Raging bully. Oh my god!
A civil authority has issued a civil danger watch for Matagorda TX, Brazoria TX, Jackson TX, Galveston TX, Chambers TX, Wharton TX, Liberty TX, Fort Bend TX, Harris TX, Colorado TX, Austin TX, Whaler TX, Washington TX, Montgomery TX, San Jacinto TX, Grimes TX, Walker TX, Buck TX, Houston TX, Trinity TX, Madison TX, and Brazos TX, beginning at 10:35 p.m. on July 27, 2012, and ending at 5:58 a.m. on June 28, 2012. Message from CRIF. Hurricane Ashley is currently traveling north towards the Houston metropolitan area and is currently at Category 4 strength, with winds up to 154 miles per hour. A civil danger watch means that people in the affected area should seek shelter and evacuate. People should also stay tuned to this station. If you are evacuating, pack all necessary supplies, such as a first aid kit, non-perishable food, and water. If you are staying in the area, seek shelter immediately. A perfect hiding space counts as a crawl space, a bunker, or a basement. You are also advised to pick up relatives from schools, nursing homes, or businesses. Make sure to fill up on gas for evacuation. These procedures are in case the immediate evacuation order gets issued. Please stay tuned to news sources for more information on this hurricane.